Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. In today's video, we will be decorating candles. Yes, fall candles. Every year I always end up with a lot of fall candles left over from my fall season, and I never like using them during the holidays because the decor of the fall candles are always leaves and trees, and that is not Christmassy at all. So pretty much I am just taking your regular everyday store-bought candle and I am sprucing it up with some Christmas decor so you can still get your money's worth, burn that fall candle even during the Christmas holiday. If you're new here, I am Tay of Uneatly Tae. Welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. To all my new subscribers and my old subscribers, thank you so much for all your love and support. If you like DIYs, home decor, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more, you're at the right place. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will always know when I upload my next video. When applying your cleans to the candle, make sure you're using a damp paper towel. The actual cleans itself just stick well when you use a damp paper towel to wipe over the back of the cleans and the base of the candle itself.
Let us say a prayer that this Christmas time bring the best of all in us, and deep in our hearts we will carry a song heard through the ages from angels on high. Let us gather round, for it's Christmas time, a merry sound and the stars alight. Let us all rejoice when it's Christmas time and our hope again made new. Let us gather round, for it's Christmas time, a merry sound and the stars alight. Let us all rejoice when it's Christmas time and our hope again made new. In the crowded streets calling Christmas time, the ones we meet wear their warmest smile. And from far away we hear bells that chime, stating Santa won't be late. And deep in our hearts we will carry a song heard through the ages from angels on high. In the falling snow, all the Christmas lights bring a special glow on a special night. Every child awake, for at Christmas time there is magic in the air. It's a time for joy, it's a time for peace. Let's give a voice to the ones in need. Let us say a prayer that this Christmas time bring the best of all in us,
I love how these candles turned out. They are so festive. They look so good. Oh my God, I'm just so glad I came up with this idea. It saved me a lot of money because now I can burn my fall candles until they're all gone. Don't have to worry about them not blending in with my Christmas decor. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I see you guys in the next video.
It's an early December morning. No one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you head